Watch YouTube videos and earn $2 every 60 seconds for absolutely free. You think I'm joking? Well, the website that we'll be using for today is one right here. But first of all, you need to have a YouTube account. Now, if you don't have one, I want you to head over to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. To do so, click on sign in right up here. Then select create account for myself. After that, fill out your first name, last name, your email address, and password. And then just click on next. I'll show you how to use this platform later on to help you make loads of money and achieve maximum results. Plus, it's 100% free. The best thing about this method is you can choose from different payment options such as PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and the likes. But for me, I personally prefer PayPal. PayPal is one of the best ways to cash out your earnings because it's completely free. It's available all across the world and you'll get paid easily and instantly. Now, before we proceed, you need to head over to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. The sign up process is very easy and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Now let's go to this website right here, which is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. This is our money-making website. This website helps you make money online in a lot of ways. You could be currently employed, looking for a side hustle, or you want to earn decent income from this website that simply pays you for watching videos. You can do it in your spare time and you don't need any technical skills or experience because all you have to do is just hit the play button, watch the video, and collect your earnings. So if you go to this website, click on freelance and earn. That will then take you to this page where you can see how much money people are making using this website each day. And even each hour, you can see here the latest completed tasks, including the workers' nicknames and their total earnings. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Asia, Kenya, Philippines, and a whole lot more. They literally have people from all over the world, all from different countries. Having that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. And that way, I can create specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now with this website, people are making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. They have people earning few dollars, $100, $700, and they even have people earning over $2,000 here. This is just amazing. Now you can also see here the latest requested withdrawals, together with payment options chosen, then the withdrawal amounts. So you can view all of these proofs of payments right here on this website. These are the amounts that people have cashed out. As I said, they actually have different payment options. You can notice that this isn't something that will make you rich though. So don't expect to become rich from this and don't expect it to replace your day job. This is just something you can do on the side to boost your current income. By the way, the website is sproutgigs.com. Moving on here, the freelance and earn section, I want you to click on sign up over here to create a free account and begin making some money. Doing so, you'll land on this page where you need to fill out your real name and email address, create a password, enter your nickname, and then select your country. As you can see, this is the complete list of countries. They accept people from all over the world, so just select the country you're from. Next, select I'm a worker, and then agree to their terms of service and privacy policy before clicking the sign up button. And after you're done with the whole sign up process, you can now start making money online. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do just that. Once you've successfully created an account, you can now log in. This is what your brand new account will look like. You'll be seeing different jobs available here. Different jobs mean different amounts of earnings. On the right hand side, you will see how much money you'll potentially be making. Now I want you to change the category right up here to video marketing and click on apply now. What that will do is it will show you these different jobs. We've got thousands of jobs here to choose from. Jobs which we can complete and get paid for. These will all be paying us to watch videos. Imagine all you need to do is is just click on a YouTube video and watch it at the comfort of your home. You can do this whenever and wherever you like, all while getting paid. So, how does it work? Just click on any job available here. Since this is a brand new account, you'll need to submit a bit of information about yourself, such as your date of birth, your city, a security question, and the answer to the question. After that, we can now take a look at how much you'll be paid by simply watching the video. What is expected from workers? This is what you have to do. First, you need to go to youtube.com. Next, search for these keywords. You'll need to type it manually. Don't copy it. Third, find a video with this thumbnail. Remember not to use any filters like newly uploads or the likes because you won't get paid for that. Next is to watch the video for at least 9 minutes. Don't skip or else you won't get paid. The trick is to just mute the video and leave it playing in the background so you don't actually have to watch the entire thing. And by doing that, you'll be making money online passively. You also have to like the video. See, it's that simple. I repeat, you can just leave those videos playing in the background and it will still count. However, since there aren't going to be that many jobs which pay you to watch YouTube videos, if you want to achieve maximum results and earn more money on this website, you can also complete other jobs or tasks. They're also really easy, and even complete beginners can do it. This is a micro job site where people will pay you to engage with their content, such as liking their Facebook posts, and it literally only takes a single tap of a button. That's all you have to do, and you will get paid for it. You can also get paid by clicking a link and heading over to a site. That doesn't get easier than that. Sure, the pay isn't that high, but consider entering the amount of work involved. I believe it's well worth it. If you want a side hustle online, then perhaps invest the money you earn through this website in something you believe will grow in value over time. They also offer jobs such as signing up for different platforms, where all you have to do is provide an email address, your first and last name, and then you'll be paid. There are thousands of different jobs that you can actually do. The best part is you can complete as many as you like. You can happily sit for a few hours and finish hundreds of these jobs and the money will pile up real quick. You've probably noticed that some of the people on this website are already making thousands of dollars. Now let's move on to the second website on our list, which is this one right here. So, here on the top, you can see that they have paid over $2.5 million to people all over the world. Now, let's proceed to the sign-up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right-hand corner. And that will then take you to this page right here, where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now, you just have to fill in your full name, date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details, where you want to receive your earnings. As you can see, you have different payment options to choose from, such as Payer, Bitcoin, NetTeller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and FuzzyPay. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer, and I'll try to make videos about that as well. After choosing your preferred payment method, you can then continue with the image verification right here. So you just have to type in the letters and numbers which are shown here, and then finally you have to agree to the terms of service and then just click on register. Now, before I forget, this website is called scarletclicks.info, and if I pull up my tool right here, which is Trustpilot, you can see that this site has excellent reviews, 4.1 star rating out of 5. And if we scroll down a little bit, you can see here real testimonials of users who are earning real cash. Now, once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you can see the position. So there are 20 by 28 boxes. That means that there are 560 boxes here in this photo, and one box is equivalent to the video. So all you have to do is just click on one of these boxes and then you will earn money. So what you're going to do is is just choose on one of these boxes right here, and that will take you to a random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. For example, if I click on this box right here, that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Just stay on the page and wait. You don't even have to click on anything. And you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless because as you can see, there are 560 boxes and you can choose on any box you like. You'll just keep on earning money over and over again. As a rundown, what you're going to do is just click on any box you want and then stay on that page for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to earn money. Now you might be asking, where does the watching video part goes? Well, most of the time, if you click on one of these boxes, a video ad will show up. That's good news because the video ads will make you earn double. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends, and then you will earn double the regular earnings. Another thing is that sometimes on these pages, there are banner ads that look like these. Now what you're going to do is click on these banner ads because every time you click on these, you will earn extra. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads whenever you find some because that will make you more money. As simple as that. Let me click on this banner ad right here and that will lead me to this page where I have to literally do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. Now, if you're still watching this part of the video, please leave a comment down below. So let me know that you're still watching. Now that you're still here, I will be sharing a bonus tip that will help you earn more money. And that is by referring other people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or group of friends and your family here in this website. You can then receive extra money by doing so. As you can see here on the left-hand side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. However, you just need to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning decent money from this website and they did that by just referring and watching videos. You just saw how simple this strategy is. It doesn't require a lot of time and no investment needed, but it can definitely make you decent amount of passive income. Even so, I know some of you want to earn more. Some of you want more side income. To solve that, watch this video right here to know how to earn over $1,200 from YouTube by watching videos. See you in the next one.